going to install Omegle online video call because I'm going to chat with them. There. I installed Omegle online video call. Now, time to chat with them.
Oh, hello there. I'm here because I want to see you in the Omegle online video call. What is your name?
My name is Chelsea.
It's nice to meet you, Chelsea. I'm Jacob. I'm 14 years old. How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
That's great. I'm in 10th grade. Are you in 11th grade?
Yes, I am. I'm in 11th grade because I'm going to finish up high school and go to college. That was so funny. I love chatting with people in Omegle online video call. This is so fun.
Chelsea, what did I tell you? I told you not to chat with people you don't know. You know that's very, very, very dangerous.
Ruby, what's happening?
Get out of my way. I'm going to close this now. Chelsea, listen up. You know you are not supposed to chat with people you don't know, and it's very dangerous, and they might hurt you.
My daughter is right, Chelsea. In addition, you are grounded for 37 days for chatting with people you don't know. Stay in your room right now until we say you can't.